Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and in this cool video, I'm going to unbox most hyped smartphone of 2020, the Oneplus Nord.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden.
Here is the phone with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, which is marble blue in color, which costs you around 29,999, which is 30,000. And the phone is manufactured by Oppo Mobiles Noida, and it's manufactured on 25th July 2020. Talking about the processor, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 765G, which is 5G ready. So let's quickly unbox the phone and see what we get along with the phone. Taking the phone out of the box, the phone is covered with a plastic cover written "This way Nord" on it. Inside the smartphone, we get a Snapdragon 765 5G processor with Adreno 620 GPU, and the processor is based on 7nm technology. Talking about the display, the phone comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, 6.44-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and yeah, there is a pre-installed screen protector on it. Keeping the phone apart, let's see what we get inside the box. We get the Type-C cable and 30-watt fast charging power adapter, which is made in India. Here we get a welcome letter from the OnePlus Nord team, and we also get a case inside the box. So talking about the case, it's not too bad and not too good. It's fine until we get a new case in the market. Inside this, we get a semi-jetter tool, quick start guide, some stickers, safety information note, SAR value and plastic recycling card, and finally the Red Cable Club membership card.
On your own.
Let's get on phone back again after keeping all these things aside. Let me boot this for you guys, but before that, let me tell you guys that this phone comes with a quad camera setup, and which is must considering the price tag of 30,000 rupees. At the bottom, we get a SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and a speaker. And at the right side, we get a power button and a alert slider. And at the left, we get a volume rockers. And at the top, we get a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And talking about the sides, guys, this phone is made up of plastics. Yes, it is made up of plastic with a glass back on it. Let me quickly complete the setup, guys. Talking about the fingerprint, we get in-display fingerprint. Ditching the metal surface and going with the plastic, it's not good decision by OnePlus, I think so, because boy, you're buying this phone for 30,000 rupees and you're getting a feel of 5,000 rupees. Means what? Giving a UFS 2.1 storage with LPDDR4X type RAM and some sort of satisfying 180Hz touch sampling rate and no headphone jack. Do these things matter or not? Knowing the fact that not everyone really cares or knows about this, but OnePlus is trying to make out of profit from this. Or maybe the sacrifice for the 5G processor, the Snapdragon 765G processor. Making the phone some sort of waterproofing by sacrificing the expandable storage. Talking about the camera department, phone comes with 48MP Sony IMX586 primary sensor which is directly stolen from OnePlus 8, 8MP ultra-wide angle lens, 5MP depth sensing sensor and 2MP macro lens. Talking about the front-facing cameras, phone comes with 32MP Sony IMX616 main sensor and 8MP ultra-wide angle lens. Considering 4115 mAh of battery is somewhat okay. So that's all guys. Soon we are coming up with a giveaway and a review of this product. So stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching guys. I'm Diwakar signing off and I will meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.